Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto finance and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is quite a bit to get through. We've got XRP and Ripple obviously on a quest to dethrone banking giants and revolutionize global payments. Very, very bullish article right there. We've got an XRP ETF update. Very, very interesting if it does actually come to fruition, if that's how you say it. Anyway, Elon Musk could reportedly turn X into a new PayPal, which is interesting as well. Shopify now accepting USDC via Solana. Very, very interesting. Of course, we've got Arthur Hayes, says Larry Fink and BlackRock coming for Bitcoin and the crypto industry, of course. Crypto market cautious after the Fed Reserve in the United States. Obviously, Jerome Powell right there. Now we've got DYDX founder says crypto industry should give up on the United States customers. And as market obviously is not worth the hassle, which is interesting as well. Litecoin updates. We're going to see about HBAR as well. And obviously BitBoy in a bit of strife at the moment. I don't know if this is accurate, but we're going to have a look at this and see what's going on here. And of course, an analysis, that the 2024 halving could send Bitcoin soaring to 400,000 US dollars, which anything's possible. Also, guys, I'm going to be going over my crypto day trading bots as well, which have been working quite nicely. And I'm going to show you my banking coins list. There is a lot to get through today, so let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey. Things are getting pretty crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. All right, so make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It is down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right, formalities are out of the way. I'm going straight to the community tab today. Now, legit, this is the longest bear market ever at 490 days. Long time, ladies and gentlemen, very long time. Now, we had the top altcoins up in my portfolio today. We had Acro, CFX, we've got Veracity, Hero, Meta Hero. Got into this one a long time ago. I'm still holding it. And Pitbull, which is just a gamble, which is just wild. Anyway, also, ladies and gentlemen, yes, the trading bots were working quite nicely today. I was up $74, which I'm not complaining about. Obviously, given it's a new week here, 971 Australian dollars, by the way. In the last month, I'm still up $11,000. This is no BS. I'm going to show you this, 403%. And again, 6 months, 564%, obviously with some bots. These are some winning trades that I had with my bots day trading, which is incredible. So that is linked in the Patreon, guys. Go join up to that. I'll show you all of that in a moment. And let's get into Coinspot, because this is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. They are an official partner of the channel. Please feel free to use the referral links below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin if you use them. And of course, with this stuff, do your own research. Now, again, prices are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to US dollars because I'm catering for everybody around the world and my Aussie fans. Now, Bitcoin's sitting at $41,000 today, down 0.68%. Ethereum's at $631. XRP's at 82 cents. Very, very nice, in my opinion. Again, Cardano's at 41 cents as well. I do hold Cardano. Dogecoin at 9 cents. I still hold a lot of Dogecoin. I sold a portion of that and put it into Bitcoin and in cold storage. Now, Solana's at $32 as well. Very bullish on Solana. Matic as well, 88 cents. Is incredibly cheap. Again, during the previous bull market, this was a lot higher. Just putting that out there. Litecoin's 103. Shiba Inu as well, down 2.6%. We've got Stellar XLM at 19 cents today. Chainlink is at $9. I am very, very bullish on Chainlink. This is basically One, for the banking portfolio, in my opinion, it is working with a lot of governments, institutions, and a lot of crypto projects out there. Go and have a look. It's crazy. Hedera at 8 cents as well. ICP at $5.56. We have Quant at $163. VeChain is at 2 cents. Optimism is at $2.27, which is nice. We've got ALGO at 14 cents. XDC at 8 cents. The hype has calmed down off that, guys. It was peaking around about that 10 to 11 cents mark at one point. So it has dropped back down. I'm very, very bullish on that. Theta is at 96 cents. I was buying this at like $14, $15, $20 per coin during the bull market. Seeing this at 96 cents is a bargain, in my opinion. Now, moving on, we've got Neo at $11 as well. We have Gala at 3 cents. Casper is at 5 cents as well. IOTA is at 23 cents. CFX is at 19 cents as well. DYDX, again, I've got an interesting article on that one. The founders basically come out and said that they should avoid US customers because of all this regulatory BS going on with Gary Gensler. Flare is at 2 cents as well. And of course, I have my other favorites, which are XYO. That is in the pennies at the moment. Very, very bullish on XYO and Reef as well. Very, very nice right there. And again, in the pennies, very, very bullish. The founder called Sam Bankman-Fried's BS. Let that one sink in. Anyway, let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. Again, I put up a lot of stuff in here, ladies and gentlemen. 1,098 posts. That's a lot of information. I post up here every single day. I put up all my buys, my sells, my crypto day trading bots, my futures grid bots with leverage, and that's with the day trading as well. I put up all the news before I go live on the channel, which is incredible. Any interesting information goes up in here. My dividend investing, which is very important to me and provides some very insightful diversification to invest. And again, that provides cash flow every single month. So I put up what I'm dollar cost averaging every single week. And today's Monday, by the way, the 28th of August, 2023. And yes, I do dollar cost average every single Monday because the market's open in New York. Wall Street. Wouldn't be called the Wall Street Bull if I wasn't invested in Wall Street, that's for sure. Anyway, that all goes up in the Patreon, ladies and gentlemen. Go check it out. And thank you to those 365 people. You guys absolutely rock. And I love talking with every single one of you directly in the Patreon, the Wall Street Bull University. Now, I'm going to quickly show you my OKX account. This is my actual account today. No BS. My crypto day trading bots. I've got a full 15-minute video on how to set up and my current setups at the moment that are working, as you can see right here. On the day, I'm up $36. The market is down, obviously, today. I've got 2 bots set up in a long and short position, trading both ways with a few pairs of coins, obviously with USDT. Now, again, that is all set up in the Patreon. Now, again, on the week, I'm still up $967, which is incredible. Now, I did get liquidated out of a couple of positions last on the 23rd of August, as you can see right here. And this is because I'm trading with leverage with the day trading bots. And again, it works on the RSI indicator, obviously on the 30 and the 70 level. Obviously opening up a long position when it's below the 30 and opening up a short position with both bots, obviously when it hits above the 70 line on the RSI indicator. Pretty straightforward, right? And I've got the full setup on how I set these all up in the Patreon. Now, again, yes, I did get liquidated, but I'm still up. Again, my peak was $12,509, which is incredible as well. On the month, I'm still up 11,403%, which is incredible. And in the 6 months, guys, I'm still up 564%, $11,672, which is absolutely wild. Now, again, if I go to the actual open positions, there's currently 98 orders open at the moment, meaning taking profits, buying low and selling high. The positions I've got opened up, as you can see right here, on Ethereum, Solana. I've got Ethereum, a couple of perpetual contracts as well, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Monero. I've got Maker. I've got Algorand, XLM, as you can see here, Tron. We've got DAO, Axie Infinity's open. We've got a few Doge, Near Protocol, Atom, Sandbox. A lot of perpetual contracts with leverage. Now, again, I do not recommend trading with leverage because you can get liquidated very, very easily, ladies and gentlemen. So please be careful with this. Now, let's go to the history and check what's going on here. As you can see, I've adjusted these to about 1% profits. Now, this is a big win. 123 USDT. That's nearly 180 Australian dollars in one night. That position opened on the 24th and it closed on the 28th today. So again, that is on a long position. So it takes profits for you automatically. There are some losing positions. Of course, I had Link. And I've got the short positions here taking small, very small profits, but it adds up. It literally adds up. These are all on the 28th, all right? Mostly winning trades, which is incredible, all right? I'm not making this up, which is awesome. As you can see right here, again, I got liquidated out of this one, $2 USD. I'm just going to say $2 anyway, but there you go. So again, very, very bullish. One other liquidation there, but mainly wins. And it all varies. I mean, it's, you know, between 30, 10 cents, 5 cents to $100. It could be $200. Which is incredible as well. So mostly winning trades, which is incredible as well. I may even start copy trading on OKX because they are an official partner, and you can literally follow every single trade that I make. And there you go. So that's what basically happens, which is incredible. So there is all the information. It's in the Patreon link below. Join up because it's a very, very bullish community. Go join up. You won't regret it. Anyway, on the day, we've got crypto bubbles. Hex is the biggest gainer. I'm steering clear of this, 8.3% today. Again, it's in the pennies. I'm not invested in Hex. Never have been. Something just gave me the irrits, the jitters. I don't know about Richard Hart. I mean, look, I'm happy for him to be successful, but just a lot of uncertainties around that project anyway. I don't know, man. Anyway, I'm just a bit iffy about it. Moving on, of course, we have Hedera down, 3.6% to 5 cents today. Again, I'm still bullish on Hedera. XDC is up 1.8% today, which is really nice at 5 cents USD, which is bullish as anything, guys. Really, really nice. It's still up 95% this year. DYDX, 2.8% on the day. It's still up 35% on the year, which is nice at $2.14. Very, very nice. And of course, there are buying opportunities, in my opinion. Litecoin is a gem at $64 US, still up 16% this year, which is nice. Down 1.1% today. And where is our favorite? I can never find the freaking thing, but XLM, guys, 1.9% down today at 11 cents. And I just want to point out, during the bull market, all of these coins were about 80 to 90% higher than what you're seeing them now. So, just goes to show that we are still early in this space, and I hope people take advantage of that. It's not financial advice, but XRP, guys, again, going to dethrone banking giants. It will, in my opinion, and based on the research. But we have a bullish article right here. XRP's quest to dethrone banking giants and revolutionize global payments. In a bold Twitter thread, Panos Mek right here, the author behind the Understanding of Crypto founder and a co-founder of Digital Gen Fin and Adonis Fund, whatever it's called, shed light on the disruptive potential of the crypto, particularly XRP, in challenging the dominance of major banks. The thread delves into the revolutionary implications of blockchain technology for global payments. And obviously you can see right here, Panos Mek asserts that XRP is a potent adversary to established banking institutions. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies, obviously he argues, are effectively dismantling the monopoly of banks have held for decades. Finally. However, his focus narrows to the global payments, highlighting the astonishing absence of the seamless international payments network given to the interconnectedness of today's global economy. Amidst this backdrop, XRP emerged as a powerful solution. And obviously, he describes how the traditional financial system lacks interoperability between diverse networks. He draws attention to SWIFT, the globally popular money transfer system owned by major banks. Of course it is, and intermediaries. Now, in this setup, money remains stagnant while only ledger entries change. The co-founder points out that the smaller banks depend on large players due to their impracticability of establishing direct relationships with numerous international banks. And obviously this reliance comes at a cost, with 99% of banks paying fees to a mere 1%, ultimately translating to higher charges for end customers. And obviously the narrative spotlights Ripple and its crypto XRP as disruptors. Its revolutionary potential lies in its role as a bridge currency for cross-border payments. By eliminating the need for pre-funded liquidity and intermediary banks, XRP streamlines the process while reducing costs. Furthermore, its universal, decentralized nature renders trust in intermediaries obsolete. And again, it's very, very bullish. And he basically concludes that with the call to action, emphasizing that the time has come to harness XRP's capabilities for rebuilding financial infrastructure, the co-founder's insights provide a unique perspective on the crypto landscape and its transformative power over the traditional banking system. Very, very bullish right there, ladies and gentlemen. Now, interesting, XRP ETF, I'd love one, putting it out there. But anyway, won't come soon. But this innovative fractional NFT project is on the course to rise 5 million, which is insane as well. What do you think about an XRP ETF? Again, this is pretty, again, just a very vague. I just put this in here just to talk about it because, again, could there be an XRP ETF in the future, given the fact it's ranked, number 3 out of all the cryptocurrencies? Very interesting. What is the best crypto to invest in? In this article, we'll talk about the rise and project on track to raise a substantial amount successfully, as well as a possible looming delay of XRP ETFs, which is really interesting as well. I'm wondering if they will launch an XRP ETF, how that's going to work. Anyway, we've got CFET's right here perspective in that introducing an XRP futures contract on CME could establish a foundation for the eventual launch of an XRP futures ETF. And this would provide a tangible underlying asset for the ETF to track, and offering investors exposure to XRP's price movements within a regulated framework. And he asserts this could be more a viable route than approval of a spot Ripple ETF, which might face challenges in the current regulatory landscape. Interesting stuff right there. Moving on, we've got Elon Musk could reportedly turn X a new fangled PayPal. What does this mean for Dogecoin? Interesting right now. Massive returns are possible within the market for a limited time. Now, again, Elon Musk could turn X, formerly into Twitter, into an updated PayPal, according to a scoop by Charles Gasparino, obviously from Fox Business right here. And he basically said, for Fox Business News, revealed that Musk has been in discussions with the top Wall Street executives about the future of X. And the Fox journalist suggested that Musk is leaning towards transforming X into a new payment system similar to an updated version of PayPal. The system would offer lower transaction costs compared to credit cards and potentially monetize user information. Seems to be settling, they're telling me, on a new fangled payment system. Obviously, updated version of PayPal. It will offer low transaction costs as opposed to credit cards. And he could potentially upload this to Dogecoin as well using that, which is going to be very interesting for Doge. So I'm still holding on to that. Now we have Shopify to accept USDC payments via Solana Pay integration. Solana's native Sol, as well as the Bonk token, will be added to the new payment option in the future. Solana Labs announced an integration to its decentralized payment protocol, Solana Pay, with e-commerce giant Shopify as a new payment option. And the move will enable millions of businesses operating on the Shopify platform to leverage Solana Pay for their payment needs. Initially, USDC payments will be accepted via the integration, so I've got itchy nose, but more crypto assets will be added down the line. Very, very nice to see Solana. I'm bullish on that. You've got Arthur Hayes, says Larry Fink and BlackRock coming for Bitcoin as crypto industry right here, which is crazy. And BitMEX founder Arthur Hayes says that the giants of traditional finance, TradeFi, are planning to a subtle takeover of Bitcoin and crypto industries. In a new blog post, Hayes says that there is now a battle as to who owns crypto. With legacy financial institutions circling the industry in the depths of the bear market after many crypto firms have died off. What I'm trying to say is that crypto itself was never the problem. The issue, who owns it, is the issue. And the problem doesn't make sense now why banks and asset managers all of a sudden warmed up to the crypto as soon as their competition was dead, which is interesting right now. They know the government is coming for the deposit base and they need to make sure the only available antidote to inflation, crypto, is under their control. TradeFi banks and asset managers will offer crypto exchange-traded funds or similar type of managed products that give the client a crypto derivative in exchange for fiat cash. And the fund managers get to charge erroneous fees because they are the only game in town that allows investors to easily sell fiat for crypto financial return. And if crypto in the coming decades can have a larger monetary systemic impact than the euro-dollar market, then TradeFi can more than recoup their losses due to the unfavorable banking regulations. They do this by becoming the crypto gatekeepers for their multi-trillion-dollar deposit bases, which is insane. So yes, they are coming for crypto. I'm going to quickly move on. We've got the DYDX founder. Obviously, says the crypto industry should give up on the US customers as a market is not worth a hassle. And obviously, Antonio Giulio tells his 49,000 followers on social platform X that the regulatory uncertainty in the United States is not worth a hassle or compromises. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments, guys. Moving on again, I'm not going to go into these because I want to get moving, but what happened to Ben Armstrong? I don't know what's happened here. It's pretty scary, but he was removed from the crypto Twitter brand. Ben Armstrong, the face of BitBoy Crypto, has allegedly separated from the brand, according to crypto influencers. And Armstrong has been involved in several controversies, including a potential arrest warrant for failure to appear. And attorney Adam Moskowitz, who represents investors suing celebrities who endorsed FTX, accused Armstrong of harassment. The decision has not been made easy. However, after long consideration, we are confident that this is the only path forward, a statement from around the blockchain declares. Effective immediately, Ben Armstrong will no longer be working with Hit Network BJ Holdings as all subsidiary brands, including but not limited to BitBoy Crypto and around the blockchain. There's Crypto Wendy O right there, which is interesting. What is going on there, man? I don't know what's going on. Anyway, an analysis says that the 2024 halving could push Bitcoin to $400,000. BRICS declares importance of local currencies in trade. In this week's hottest stories and details, a potential skyrocketing of Bitcoin's price to $400,000, which would be crazy, connected with the upcoming 2024 halving event. Emphasis on trade in local currencies made on the conclusion at the recent BRICS summit in South Africa, and claims that 260% faster hash detection via the new Bitcoin mining technology. This and more in the latest Bitcoin news. Interesting. Do you think it's going to go to 400K? Maybe. Cryptometer.io, let's have a quick look here, guys. Yes, this is quite a long video today. We've got net flow going into Ethereum, Bitcoin. We've got XRP, which is nice, Monero, and interesting stuff right there. Not a lot of bullish coins today because I think the market's quiet. And let's go to X. Yes, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me on there, guys. Thank you to those 5,416 people. You guys absolutely rock. And if you're watching this, you rock as well. I am giving this bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subs. Now, again, yes, $400,000 Bitcoin price prediction. Now, we've got the first Bitcoin recipient, Hal Finney, passed away 9 years ago today, which is unbelievable. It's been 9 years. Anyway, we've got Bitcoin ETF approved. Price could reach 185,000. Tom Lee, have a listen to this.
Bitcoin. And so the clearing price, this is done by Sean Farrell, who's our crypto digital strategist, is over 150,000. It could even be like 180,000.
But that's only if only if the ETF gets approved.
Yeah, in the U.S.,
a
spot U.S., because a spot Bitcoin ETF is approved outside the U.S.
Okay, but if it's not approved, then are we just lingering around 29,000?
There's still upside counts because of the halving next year, so you'll have a drop in supply again, so the clearing price has to increase, but it won't be six figures.
Interesting. Very, very interesting right there. Yes, BitBoy. We've got Clive Thompson right here from Black Swan Capitalists. Incredible video here that basically says that the CBDCs are being built on Ripple technology and XRP. Again, very, very bullish right there. I don't like CBDCs, to be quite honest with you. The odds of a Bitcoin ETF approval are better than 50-50, are increasing. This is the CEO of Marathon, the second largest Bitcoin mining company. And interesting stuff right here. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 39 today. Longest bear market in history for Bitcoin. It might feel like a ghost town in crypto. It might feel like there's not even going to be a bull cycle anymore. And I understand why these thoughts are, but why? And again, I'm very, very bullish and just still continuing to dollar cost average. Now, we've got internet maybe just a passing fad as millions give up on it. Well, that article just proved to be completely false. Now, anyway, let's go to CoinMarketCap. Yes, this is my top altcoins in my portfolio. We had Acro, Ravane, Hero, XDC at the moment, CFX, Veracity, Pitbull, Matic, and Electronium. Full list goes up in the Patreon every single day, ladies and gentlemen, because it's always changing, of course. And where my focus is the banking coins. Absolute no-brainer, in my opinion. And there's a few additions in here, of course. DAG, we've got Energy Web, WorldCoin. I know a lot of people don't like that. Cello, Flare. And again, very, very bullish projects like Solargenic as well. Casper, I'm very, very bullish on. And of course, XRP, that's a no-brainer in my opinion. Look at that beautiful gain there of all-time 8,688%. Crazy when you think about it, guys. Anyway, that is it. I'm out of here. Thank you very much. I'll be back tomorrow. Make sure you join the Patreon, linked below, and follow me on social media. Please only use the official links. There are so many fake accounts. All right, guys, I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Peace out. Bye.